Greetings and welcome to Studio G. I'm Maurice, your host, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about side hustles. What is a side hustle? A side hustle is an extra way to make money besides your primary way of making money. So in today's economy, we just can't depend on one source of income. Actually, you need multiple sources of income. And in this video, I'm going to tell you some ways you can make extra money either online or offline. These are legitimate ways, and you can try some of these. So sit back, relax, and let's jump into my computer. Okay, so now that we're inside my computer, the first side hustle I want to tell you about is become a host on Toro. And what is Toro? Toro is a service or an app that lets you rent your car out to other people. You choose the dates that you want to rent your car out. You set the prices based on the market, and you can just rent your car out. So when you come to their site, which is Toro.com, you click right here where it says become a host. Okay, once you click on that, it's going to tell you all about their program. So it's going to tell you, let's wait till the page load. Okay, so it'll tell you how it's scalable, how to access, how flexible it is. It'll even give you an estimate of how much you can make per year with one car. Okay, and up to 9 cars, you can make up to $90,000 per year. Okay, they have their own built-in infrastructure. I mean, they already have clients ready to rent your cars. They give you insurance, it's safety, support. It's easy to use the app. Okay, so here are people right here who have started their own little business using Toro. So Toro is a good side hustle. If you want to make extra money, you want to look into Toro. Next, you can sell stuff on eBay, Etsy, and Craigslist. So I know most people have stuff that they buy and have in their home that they really don't use. Those things can be sold on eBay and Etsy and Craigslist. But I'm going to tell you a little trick that I learned when I first got online. You can go over here to Craigslist, okay, and you click on this section that say for sale and click on free. Okay, so I'm in Memphis, Tennessee. So when I click on free, it's going to show me stuff that's free in Memphis, Tennessee. So let's wait till the page load. Guess it's taking a long time to load since I'm running a video also. So let's look at some of this free stuff. Okay, here's a couch. Okay, this is a free couch. Okay, so you could take this particular couch, go pick it up, clean it up really good, and sell it on eBay. So now you have a free couch, but a couch, let's look at something else, maybe something smaller. Let's look at something smaller. Let's wait till the page loads. Okay. Let's look at something. Okay, here we go. Here goes something. See this little small cabinet and table set up? You could clean this up, possibly paint it. It's free to get it. You maybe could go buy a $5 can of black paint or brown paint, clean it really good, clean the glass off, and turn around and sell it for 30 or 40 bucks on eBay. Okay, so that is a good side hustle. I know a lot of people who do that. Also, Etsy. A lot of people don't know about Etsy, but Etsy is similar to eBay, except for a lot of people do their own crafts on here. If you're good at crafts like painting or knitting or just any good craft that you can sell on here, you can sell wall paint, you can sell kitchen stuff. It's all kind of stuff on here. If you're good at graphic design, you can create a downloadable printable. But that's a whole different video. Etsy is its own animal. And if you're looking to do something on Etsy, you're going to want to do your due diligence. So you can sell stuff on eBay, Etsy, and Craigslist to make side hustle money. Next, you could become an affiliate for Amazon. So I know a lot of people have heard of Fulfilled by Amazon, or you can send your products into Amazon and get paid like that. But did you know you also can get paid by Amazon for sharing a link? Okay, so this is Amazon sites right here, and I typed in Nike because I like to wear Nike gear. But if I wanted to share this particular page with my friends and family, since I'm in the affiliate program already with Amazon, I could just click right here and it's gonna give me my own unique link. And matter of fact, I'm gonna leave a copy of this link in the comments below. So if you like Nike gear, you can get the best Nike gear right here on Amazon. And the best thing about this is that Amazon has billions of products on their site, and you could do this with individual products. You could do this with pages or groups in a niche. Just say if you want to do cooking, and so you would type cooking in, you would get your unique linking code, and you can share it on your blog. If you have a blog, you can share it on your YouTube video in the comments. You can share it on your TikTok bio, on your Instagram bio. So becoming an affiliate for Amazon is a really good thing. It's simple, it's easy, and you can just do any product. They have tons of products on Amazon. So that is a good side hustle, becoming an affiliate for Amazon. Next, you can write a ebook. Now, what is an ebook? An ebook is just really a short book, at least 20 pages, that's a very minimal price. Okay, they could go up to 100 pages. They could really go up to 200 or 300 pages, but the smallest they could be is about 20 pages, I believe. And so I'm on a site right now that says how to write an ebook in 7 steps. I cannot read you what's on this site. I can show you what's on this site because YouTube does not like us to read from websites. But I'm just showing you this site that I'm on. It's called readies.com, and they have a guide on how to write an ebook. But I'm gonna show you a super duper shortcut on getting your ebook written. Okay, it's called a ghostwriter. Okay, so do you think all these celebrities that got books out wrote them themselves? No, they did not. They hired a ghostwriter. So if you have a good idea for an ebook, you can go on this site called Fiverr.com. It's spelled Fiverr.com, and hire somebody to write your ebook. And they charge very low prices. Like this person right here, this first person, they'll ghostwrite your ebook for $10. This person charges $20. This person charges $5. Okay, but you want to go through here and try to pick the best person, and you want to. When I use Fiverr, because I use Fiverr, I always click on the best selling person, whoever did the most gigs, and this person has done a bunch of them. And let's see, let's wait till the page load. Wait till the page loads. Well, it's loading kind of slow, but you get the gist of everything. This person right here will ghostwrite you 30,000 words ebook for $10. $10. So you can write an ebook, then you want to publish it, and you can put your ebook on Amazon. You could put your ebook on Audible. You can sell it yourself as a PDF file. You could put the ebook on eBay, Craig. You can put it anywhere because it's a digital book. And once it's written, it's yours forever. So writing an ebook is actually a very lucrative business that a lot of people don't know about. And you don't even have to write it yourself. You just have to have the good idea. If you have an idea, let's say for example, so usually, and I hate to tell people all my business, but I'm gonna put it out there. Every November, I get a person from this site to write a Christmas story for children for me. So when they do that, I just upload it on Amazon. So you could do spooky stories, you could do a how-to book. You can actually write it yourself if you're a good writer, but this is a shortcut. You get somebody on here to write your book for under 20 bucks. And you actually could sell the book for 20 bucks. So writing an ebook, I would say that's a very good side hustle, and I would suggest everybody look into that. Next up is deliver groceries, but not just for any company, strictly for Walmart. So I'm on this site called Spark, okay, and I'm gonna put the web address up so you can see it. Okay, and this is a company that Walmart created for people to deliver their services or goods, or maybe people buy clothes, whatever. It's delivery service, but it's strictly for Walmart. Now, in my opinion, the reason this is a good situation is because if you live close to a Walmart, this is the easy gig. Okay, because you live close to Walmart. Walmarts are everywhere. You go there, they put the groceries and stuff in the car for you, and boom, you just deliver it. Okay, so this is a very good side hustle, delivering groceries for Walmart. Okay, and once you go on the site, it explains everything to you. You simply download the app or you sign up here, and boom, you're good to go. Now, that's going to be the end of this video, but I also want to let you guys know, if you're a retired person, I have a whole separate video for side hustles and side gigs for people who are retired, because retired people can't do all of these side hustles. They have certain side hustles they can do and certain side hustles that they can't do. So just look around my channel and find the side hustle video that says side hustle for retirees. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put it in the comments below, a link to that particular video. So with today's economy, again, there are tons of side hustles. With the proliferation of the internet, it has opened more doors for people to make a side income. Please take advantage of the internet. 20 years ago, you couldn't really make money online, not a regular person. So take advantage of all the available resources. I want to thank you for watching this video. Please smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned for more videos from me, Maurice, right here in my studio, Studio G. Thank you. Have a great day.